that works very well.
Yeah.
Something I noticed when you first got established in the USA, Chunyi, I was very taken by the number of cancer researchers who became your early students. And can you maybe talk a little bit about that? Because I know some of the members of the audience will be similarly interested.
Sure. Yeah, cancer. Well, in our center in Spring Forest Qigong, we help many people with cancer healing. The reason we know the theory behind is everything is energy, and cancer is only one form of energy. And energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but energy can be transformed. And by opening your heart, you can help yourself to transform that energy into something beautiful. When all these people who got healed with cancer, my experiences working with these people, the one thing is very, very important is they change the perception dramatically of their life. When the perception of life, the attitude of life got changed, the rest will become easy, because our mind and our heart is just so powerful. That energy is from your heart. I call it the unconditional love. When you wake up, that will just help you to open up all the energy channels in the body so quick, and then you allow the energy to flow in your entire body, blessing you with the joy, with the peace. When the joy, when the peace comes to your heart, and with the techniques you move, like the breathing, the movements of the body, of your hands, and then the nutrition comes in, and all these things together, you can help yourself to heal so faster and more completely. And plus, just now we already talked about that, and love is the most powerful healing energy. And when you open your heart, you're not afraid of doctors anymore. You're not afraid of hospitals anymore. You love those doctors, you love those oncologists, and you love other healers, and they are all angels. They are all from different perspectives. It gives you advice, suggestion, and they want to bring the best healing to you. So now, after you get all this information, you allow the information to go into your head, and you choose the best one to experience. And you put everything in together as a package, helping you with a better life. So many cancer patients, clients of mine, the first thing they experience when the journey of healing starts is they found their heart change. They got the perception of life change, and now with that change, and the rest will become easy.
And so, with all the, I know that there are people doing scientific research alongside you, and along with all of the results you're getting. What are the results looking like for all the different forms of illness that Spring Forest Qigong is helping with?
Yeah, so I already done quite a few scientific studies, and two pain management studies, and one depression studies. And the one study I did with the Mayo Clinic and University of Minnesota on external Qigong. That means I send out energy to help my clients to balance the pain, and the result is very, very positive.
Yes.
And then I also did another study. It's called internal Qigong, and I teach these techniques to people, and people use this technique to practice, and now they can control their pain better, and so the result is even better. And so this is a great message for people that you can help yourself to heal, and you empower yourself. And when you come to many times you come to a healer, and so many healers said, "Well, I have the power, and I can do that for you," and all. But here in Spring Forest Qigong, we say, "No, hey, you can do it." And when many people say, "Hey, Chunyi, you are such a gifted healer, and you were born a healer," I say, "Yes, I was born a healer, and I am a gifted healer. But so were you, and so are you.
Yeah.
You can do the same, and just be confident yourself." Allow the love energy to come out to serve you, and that is the best.